Hello class 8. So your factorization chapter is going on. In my previous video I told you about how to find out an algebraic expression in the form of a perfect square that you have learned already. Now today you are going to learn about middle term factorization. How to divide the middle term into two numbers and then to factorize, then to take a common, and ultimately the algebraic expression is going to be written in the form of factors. So how to do without practicing the questions I cannot explain and you cannot understand. So directly come to the question. Question number 2. This is exercise 7D. Exercise 7D, question number 2. Y square plus 10y plus 24. How to find out? You have to find out the factors of 24. How 24 you are going to obtain. Now whatever may be the factors of 24, you have to divide the factors 24 into two factors in such a way that those two numbers when multiplied will give you 24 and when subtracted or added will give you this, that is 10. I can write here, I can say that there is a number that is A, this number is B and this number is C. If nothing is here, that means 1 is there. So 1 is A, 10 is B, 24 is C. I have to multiply A and C. 24 and 1 is 24. Now find out the factor of that. And then though that factor has to be subtracted or added in such a way to get the number B. 24, 12 into 2, 24. 8 into 3, 24, 6 into 4, 24. So I will take 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So 10 will be divided into two parts, that is 6 and 4. So I will write it as y square plus 6y plus 4y plus 24. 10 is divided into two parts. Now take common in between these two terms and these two terms. So in between these two terms, y is common. What is left? Y plus 6. In between these two terms, y is common. What is left? In between these two terms, 4 is common. If I take 4 as common, what is left? Y. 4 into 6 is 24, so 6. Now, y plus 6 and y plus 6, these are the same terms, so it is common. So, y plus 6 is common and this one is y plus 4. So, my answer is y plus 6 into y plus 4. That means y square plus 10y plus 24 has two factors, y plus 6 and y plus 4. Similarly, I will do this one. 56. How can you divide 56 in two ways so that you can get the answer by adding as 15? 6 into 9, 9 into 6 is 9 into 6 is 56 and 9 plus 6 is your 15. So I will take 9 and 6. So x square plus 9x plus 6x plus 56. 56 is 9 into 6. Now take common. Here x is common, so x plus 9. Here 6 is common. 9 into 6 is 56. I have taken 6 here common. Here x is left and here 9 is left. So x plus 9 and x plus 9, these are now common. So what you are going to get the answer as x plus 9 into x plus 6. So the factors are x plus 9 and x plus 6. These are the factors. Completed. Come to question number 6. Y square plus 19y plus 60. Factors of 60 has to be divided in such a way to get as 19. Now if you cannot do by only orally, you can do one thing, that is factorize the number. If I factorize 60, what I will get? 30, then 15, then 5. So these are the numbers 2, 2, 3 and 5. These has to be divided into two terms. Okay, so that I can get 19. 3 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19. This way you can get the numbers. As it is a bigger number, so I have shown it. If you can do by your own, no need to show it. So I can write y square plus 15y plus 4y plus 60. Now again common in between, in these two terms y is common, y is left here, 15 is left here. In between these two terms 4 is common, y is left here, and this one is 4 into 15 is 60, so 15 is left here. So the answer is now y plus 15, y plus 15. This one is common, so what is left? Y plus 4 is left. Completed, my work is done. Now this one, x square minus 17x plus 16. 16 has to be divided in such a way in the factor so that after multiply I can get 16 and after plus minus I can get 17. 16 ones are 16 and 16 plus 1 is 17. So 17 can be divided as minus 16 minus x. So I can write it as x square minus x minus 16x plus 16. Minus x and minus 16x is minus 17x. Now take common in between these two. X common, here x left and here nothing is left, that means 1 left. I have taken x here, so 1 left. Now here I will take common as minus 16. Let me take common as minus 16. So in this place x is left and in this place I have taken common minus 16. This point you have to remember. Here it was plus but I have taken common as minus 16. So here I will take negative sign. Now 16 has already been taken. So what is left? 1. So this sign convention is very much necessary. Many students do mistake at this point, that means at this line they will do mistake. So try to get yourself ready so that you cannot do this kind of mistake. Now x minus 1 and x minus 1, this is common, so I can write x minus 1, whatever left other than x minus 1, that is x minus 16. So the factors are x minus 1 and x minus 16. These are the two factors of this number. Now come to question number 13. What is the question? In question number 13, 90 I have to divide into two terms. So let me write down here. I can do, but then also I am showing it for you. So if I divide it by 2, I will get 45. Now divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3. 15. 3 5s are 15. Now again by 3. 3 5s are 15. Now the numbers are 2, 3, 3 and 5. I have to get 21. So 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So I can write it in this form. Y square minus 15y minus 6y plus 90. Now take common, y as common, so y minus 15, from here y has been taken, 15 is left. Again here the negative sign I am taking as common and 6 I am taking as common. So what is left here? Y. Here what is left? 6 into 15 is 90. 6 is already there, so 15 is left. But the sign will be negative because positive sign was here, but I have taken common as negative sign. So this sign must be negative. So Now y minus 15 and y minus 15, they are common. So y minus 15 I have taken as common. What is left? Y minus 6. So the answer is two factors are y minus 15 and y minus 6. Very easy. You have to just practice. The more you will practice, you will be habituated to it. Now this one, y square plus 7y minus 144. 144 has to be divided into two parts such that you can get it. So 144 I can write in this form. No, here yes, 144 can be written in different form so that you can get the answer. So let me do the factorization. 144 by 2, if I divide, 2 7s are 14, then 2. Again by 2, 2 3s are 6, 12, that means 6. Now again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 18. Now by 2, 9. Now 3 3s are 9. So I have to get these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and this is 3 into 3, 9. 16 and 9. 16 and 9 if you subtract, yes, definitely. 16 and 9 if you subtract, you will get 7. So I have to divide 7 in the form of 16 and 9. So how to write? Y square plus 16y minus 9y, because 16 minus 9 will give you 7. So 16 minus 9 minus 144. Okay, got it? Now let us take the common. Y common here. So here what is left? 16 left. In this place I will take negative sign as common. Both are having negative sign, and 9 I will take as common. So what is left? Y. As minus sign I have taken common, so here it will be plus sign. These are certain small tricks that you have to remember. Already you have taken minus sign common here, so I cannot write negative here. I have to write plus sign. Now 9 into 16 is 144, so I will write 16. Now you can find that y plus 16 and y plus 16, it is common term. So what I am getting? Y plus 16 and y minus 9. So the two factors are y plus 16 and y minus 9. These are the terms that you got. Okay. So some questions I have solved, some more I am going to solve now only. So just wait. Okay, now come to question number 26. In 26, I have to divide 135 into two factors so that I can get the answer as 6. So you just try to think that how you are going to get the answer. 135 factors, there can be many factors. So 15 and 9, if you multiply, you will get 135. And 15 and 9, if you subtract, you will get as 6. So I am writing here y square minus 15y plus 9y minus 135. Here one thing you have to think that I have taken plus sign here and I have taken minus sign here, because plus minus is minus, but the bigger one is 15, so this sign is minus. So I have to get it as minus 6. Anyway, I have to get it as minus. So this you have to remember about the sign. If you do something wrong, then the whole sum will become wrong. Now, what I am going to take as common? Y as common, so y minus 15. Here I will take plus 9 as common. So here I am taking y, and here negative sign I have to take. Why? Because I have taken plus sign here common. So minus sign I have not taken. So it will be written as it is. So it will be y minus 15. So the answer is y minus 15, again common. Whatever is left I am writing here. So the two factors are y minus 15 and y plus 9. Now number 32. Here the number in the form of ax square plus bx or minus bx, whatever may be, plus c. So a is 2, c is 45. 2 into 45 is 90. I have to divide 90 into 2 terms so that after plus or subtraction I can get 1. Here nothing is there, that means 1. And after multiplying I can get 90. So 9 into 10 is 90 and 10 minus 9 is 1. I will use this one. So 2x squared minus 10x plus 9x minus 45. Again the same thing. I have to get the answer as negative. So this one is negative and this one is positive. In between these two, common is 2x because 2 is also a factor of 10. So 2x is common. What is left now? X from here and from here 5 only. X already taken, 5 into 2 is 10, so 5 is left. Now again take common as 9. Okay, now what is left here? Here x is left and here 9 into 5 is 45, so 5 is left here. Now x minus 5, this one is common, so I will take x minus 5 and what is left? 2x plus 9. So the factors are x minus 5 and 2x plus 9. This is the answer. Now come to question number 33. 6 into 10, 60. I have to divide 60 in such a way in two factors so that after addition or subtraction I can get 11. So let me do it here. 60. 2 into 30 is 60. 2 into 15 is 30. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 11 I have to get. 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 4 is 11, so I can use that one. So I can write here 6p square plus 15p minus 4p minus 10. So 15 into 4, that will give you 60. 10 into 6, 60. And 15 minus 4 is 11. So plus sign is here. Now take common in between these two. In between these two I can take common as 3 because 3 is a factor of 6 also, 3 is a factor of 15 also. 3p I can take common. So what is left? Here it is 2p is going to be left here because out of 6 3 has been taken, 2 is here. Plus 3 is already taken, so 3 5s are 15, 5 is left here. Understood? Now minus sign I am taking common here as both are having negative sign, so minus sign I am taking common. Again I can take 2 as common because 2 is a factor of 4, 2 is a factor of 10. So what is left here? Here 2p is going to be left. And here, as already minus sign is taken here as common, so the sign will be plus sign. Out of 10, 2 into 5, 10. 2 is here, so 5 is left. Now I can find 2p plus 5, 2p plus 5. So 2p plus 5 is the common term. Other than that, whatever is left, that is another factor. So the answer is 2p plus 5, 3p minus 2. Understood? Now next question. Next question is 6x squared minus 17x minus 3. So 6 into 3, 18. I have to divide 18 into two factors so that plus minus after doing I can get 17. Let me draw a line here so that it is not going to mix with each other. So 18 into 1 is 18 and 18 minus 1 is 17. So what way I will divide it? 6x square minus 18x plus x minus 3. Minus 18 and plus x will give you minus 17. Now start taking common. Out of 6 and 18, I can take 2 as common or 3 as common, because 6 3s are, I can take 6 only common because 6 is a factor of 18. So 6 common, x common. What is left here? Here only one x is left. Minus 6 into 3 is 18, so 3 is left here. In between these two, nothing is common. When nothing is there, that means 1 is common, because 1 is a factor of each and every number. So if nothing is common, I can write 1. So I will write 1 and here x left, minus 3 left. Now look, x minus 3, x minus 3. So x minus 3, this one is common, and 6x plus 1. So this is my answer. Understood? In this way you have to solve. Another one, 42. 42, 6 into 7. What is this? 6 into 7, 42. The question number is also 42 and 6 into 7 is also 42. Very funny. Okay. So 6 into 7 is 42. I have to divide 42 in such a way so that you can get 19. So let me do it here. 42 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Then by 3, 3 7s are 21. So these are the factors. So what you are getting, 7 2s are 14 and 3. 14 plus 3, 19 is not coming. Again 7 3s are 21 and 2. Yes, 19 is coming. 21 and 2. If you subtract 2 from 21, 19 is coming. So you have to find out in that way. Again, let me draw a border so that it is not going to be mixed. So I can write 7x square. 19x can be written in the form of minus 21x plus 2x minus 6. Okay. Now I have to take common. 7 is a factor of 21. So from here 7x. What is left? X left. 7 3s are 21. So I am writing this one. Out of 2x and 6, I can take 2 as common because 2 is a factor of 6. 2 3s are 6. So here x and here minus 3. So now x minus 3 and x minus 3, that is the common term. So what is left? 7x plus 2. So you got the answer. The factors are x minus 3 and 7x plus 2. The chapter is not at all difficult. Only thing is that you have to practice. You have to practice more. And factorization, if you find difficult to do it in your mind, do it like this. At the side where there is a place of ra, write down, do it, build confidence. The more you will do, more confidence will come and you can solve more and more sums. So I hope the whole factorization I have completed and you can do by yourself. So thank you, students.